Hello, my name is Ann Somers. I am a systems librarian for NCC many years. One of my job is to teach information literacy to various classes, and today Professor Cassidy gave us a chance to integrate this session to your class, and I hope this session will be productive and fruitful and be able to help you for your research in the now or in the near future. Now you know who I am. I also would like to know all you guys as well. I would like to receive email from you. You can email to my email address asomers@norwalk.edu, and the subject area, please write CSA 105-online, so I know you come from the online classes, from this online class, because we have so many CSA 105 classes and many students do send us email. At the body of the email, you can state your name and a little bit of background information. Whatever you want to share with me, that would be great. You can say that if you are just graduate from high school last semester and this is your first semester in college, or you can say if you are a returning student, you have been at home raising a family, or whatever reason you were not able to attend college, and this is your first time returning to college. Anything information that I get, so I can get to know you a little bit better. Today's agenda, we have 4 topics in today's agenda. The first one is library website, how you're going to navigate NCC library website, what are the sources, and why they are helpful to your research. And the second topic will be databases versus Google, what are the differences, and what are the advantages of databases versus Google. And plagiarism, the college have policy on cheating, plagiarizing, done in general academic dishonesty, and it's in the student handbook, and a lot of students are not even aware of where it is. So I want to introduce that to you. And the last thing, not the list, but it's called citation, is how the citation will help you to avoid plagiarism. I am sure everybody is familiar with this website, www.comnet.edu, and that's the college website. And inside this college website, you will find the library website. Now, if you mouse over the category academics, and you will find the library. And if you click on the library website, if the library link, you will find the library website. Here is the library page. You will see 3 big columns. On the left hand side, the quick links column, you will find the link to databases, how to cite sources, subject guide, and other stuff. And the middle, the center column, is how you find books, e-books, CDs, DVDs, whatever the NCC library owns. Okay, and on the right hand side, you will find access direction, telephone, library hours. Library hours right now is 8:30 in the morning till 8 o'clock at night. And you have also library staff. Like if you want to find my phone number, you can go to library staff directory and you will find my phone number and also my email address. You have the NCC homepage. You can go to my ComNet, etc. Okay, and we talk about the center box. Like you want to find something on bullying. Okay, you want to do something on bullying. So you just type in bully and you click go, and it will get you to the list of results. Okay, here is the list on bullying. First of all, how many books do we have? We have 73 books, CD, or DVDs, materials on bullying. Okay, the first one is a book. How do I know it's a book? Because it said main second floor. That means all the books that you can take home are located in the second floor of the library. And how do we share it? And this is the number that you have to write it down and go to the second floor and look for this book. This is every book have a unique, it's like your address, your home address is unique, and in the library term this is called a call number. Now, do you know that half the collection in the library is in the electronic books, electronic form? That means that you can read the book without coming to the library, anywhere, anytime, as long as you get a Wi-Fi connection. Okay, now how do you find the ebook? Now I want you to bring the attention at the right hand column, filter your search. Here is something called add filter ebooks only. I click on that and I get all the electronic book. Here is electronic book. Okay, so now how do I read it? The second one, dealing with bullying, sounds good. That's exactly what the topic I'm doing for my English paper, for example. So I'm going to click dealing with bullying, and here is the record. Okay, dealing with bullying. It was published in 2011. Now, how do I read it? Because the book is not here. Do you see here an electronic book accessible through the World Wide Web? Click to view. Okay, see this link? So if I click on that, now my comment will pop up because we bought the book. We just want to make sure the book only NCC student, faculty, and staff can get connected to the book. So I have to sign in with my NCC net ID. And here's the book dealing with bullying. And you can read just a chapter. If you just want cyberbullying, then you just want that chapter. You don't have to go you just have to click on that chapter and you will get cyberbullying. Here is the second chapter. Okay, you can read it, you can print a couple pages out to read and so on. So that's called electronic book and is easy. You can read it anywhere. You don't have to worry about, oh, I have to return this book today, and if not, then I have to pay a fine for the book and so on. So you just need to read it online. Okay. Another feature I want to point out, the NCC library homepage, beside of finding books, CDs, DVDs, is called Subject Guide. Subject Guide, all the librarians in NCC library, we contribute in the Subject Guide. We have almost one subject guide for every discipline. For example, let me click on Subject Guide and show you the list. Here is the list. Like for example, you are a returning student. You graduate from high school many years ago, and you are rusty in mathematics, and you really have math anxiety. So if you click on the mathematics, here is the mathematics subject guide, and here is a section on math on anxiety. It was written by one of our math professor, Professor Daria Santerre, and she will tell you, how you reduce it and what are the tips for success and so on. And this is a real popular subject guide for a lot of students who have math anxiety. But there are so many other good ones. You want to look at it, feel free on your free time, look at it and so on. So this is called subject. Here's a little quiz that I made up and see how you understand what I just said about library catalog. The quiz is a multiple choice, and the question is, what can you find in NCC library catalog? Do you find books, CDs, DVDs, textbook from your class? Or can you find today's New York Times headline? Or you can find ebooks and read them online? Or can you also find an episode of Desperate Housewives? So you give me the answer. Is it 1 and 3 or is it 2 and 4? And please email the answer to my email, asommers@norwalk.edu.